Let me introduce you to an amazing new AI video generator called Viva AI, which offers 3 key features: text to video, image to video, and 4K enhancement. At the end, I'll also compare it with other free AI video generators. So let's dive in. Open the page using the link in the description. Although it's accessible through Discord, I'll use the website for convenience. Click Try for free to access the platform, where you can explore various example videos showcasing what Viva AI can do. At the top, click the Image tab to view the image samples Viva AI can generate. However, today we'll focus on Viva AI's latest video generation feature. On the left panel, select Video Generation, and you'll find the text to video and image to video options. Let's start with text to video. To begin, enter your prompt in the provided text box. I'll use Microsoft's Copilot to generate video ideas. You can also find the link to Copilot in the description. In the prompt box, I'll type, "Generate some ideas" or prompts for an AI-generated video, and click Submit. Copilot will offer suggestions like the lost city of Zyria or quantum dreams. If you need more specific ideas, you can adjust the prompt. For example, I might type, "Create some AI video prompts about a cat." After submitting, Copilot might suggest ideas such as the Curious Cat Detective or Cat Cafe Chronicles. I'll copy the one I like and paste it into the Viva AI prompt box to proceed. Under text to video, the next step is to select the aspect ratio for your video. Use 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok or Instagram, and 1:1 for square videos. You'll also find the motion strength setting, which is set to 30 by default. Lowering this value will reduce the movement in your video. Once you've configured everything, click Generate, and Viva AI will start creating your video. While the video is being generated, let's explore the image to video feature. Begin by uploading an image and adding a prompt. You can then adjust the motion and camera controls, such as upward, downward, left, or right movements, as well as zooming in or out. But first, you'll need an image to continue. For this, I'll use Leonardo AI, another fantastic tool. I'll include a link to it in the description. It's easy to use and comes with 150 free tokens per day. If you upgrade to the premium plan, you'll receive up to 25,000 tokens per month. Start by clicking on Image Generation in Leonardo AI. Next, I'll return to Copilot to copy the same prompt I used for the Viva AI video and paste it into the Leonardo prompt box. Select the Leonardo Phoenix model, which offers a prompt enhancement feature that adds more details to your input. However, using this feature costs 24 tokens. Set the image dimensions to 16:9, choose medium resolution, and select 4 images to generate. Once the process completes, pick an image you like and download it. Now head back to Viva AI's image to video section to continue. Since the text to video generation is still in progress, let's proceed by uploading the image we just downloaded. This shows how you can create an AI video using an existing image. Next, select the aspect ratio. I'll go with 16:9 and click Confirm. Then, adjust the camera controls as needed and click Generate to start creating the video. While the videos are being generated, let's explore the 4K Enhance feature. On the left panel, click AI Tools to find options like Image Enhance AI, AI Replace, Magic Eraser, Magic Expand, and Magic Brush. To begin, let's focus on the Video Enhance option. Click on it, and a new window will appear. Click anywhere in this window to upload a video. Before uploading, right-click on the video file and check its properties to confirm its resolution. Ours is 320x240. Now, upload the video to see if Viva AI can upscale it to 4K. Keep in mind that the video must be under 5 seconds long. Once uploaded, the enhancement process will begin. The 4K enhancement is much faster than the standard video generation. When the enhanced video is ready, click the download icon to save it to your computer. The final resolution is 3328x2560. For the best experience, watch it on a larger screen to fully appreciate the quality difference. Now let's check the results of our text-to-video project. The output featured a realistic cat, though it didn't quite match the prompt's idea of a tech-savvy cat. There was some morphing, and while a robot appeared, there were no lasers as specified in the prompt. Although Viva AI is a newly released tool, the results could be improved. If you're looking for other AI video generators with better performance, consider tools like Luma, Dream Machine, PixFirst AI, and the newly released Kling AI. You can find links to these tools in the description. Finally, let's move on to the image-to-video results. We used Leonardo AI to create an image that perfectly matched our prompt. Unfortunately, the Viva AI video generator didn't deliver much in terms of visual quality this time. With some adjustments to the camera movements, we might have achieved better results. I then tested the same image using the motion feature in Leonardo AI, setting the motion strength to 1, while the maximum is 10. Here's the outcome. If you want to try Leonardo AI, click the link in the description. Next, I used Kling AI's image-to-video feature with the same image to create a 5-second video in high-performance mode, and here's the result I obtained. Finally, I uploaded the image generated by Leonardo AI into Pix AI, added a simple prompt, selected 5 seconds as the duration, and clicked the Create button. The result shows that Pix offers more motion and cinematic camera movements, resembling action scenes, although some morphing is present. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button and stay tuned for more.